You want passive income? Then watch this video till the end. Let me show you how I get paid every week for ebook I wrote 2 years ago, which means for the past 2 years, I have been getting paid for ebook I jokingly wrote with the help of AI, which is what I am going to show you in this video. So, first, tell me where you are watching this video from. Tell me the time and also go ahead and comment your location, the country you are watching it from, so that I can know people are actually here, people are here to also make passive income I have been earning for the past 2 years. So right here is me showing you my transaction history of how my earnings has been entering my bank account and me converting into my own local currency, sending to my own bank account. So what you need is for you to go ahead and write this ebook. It's just like an investment for you to start earning on this platform, and this is what you can do with the help of AI. So I'll go ahead right now and show you the platform and also show you how this have made me. And you can also go ahead and start doing this as a beginner, which you don't even need an experience for. So what we need right now is for me to take you over to this platform, and let me show you my last proof of payment, which is actually on KDP platform. As a last month, I earned just 10.79 cents. Yeah, this is very small, but this is actually free. These are payment I get paid every month. Imagine getting this every month without you writing any book, and getting this over the years without you writing any book. You go ahead and you get a credit alert on your page. And with the help of ChatGPT, you go ahead and write your book. So right now on ChatGPT, what you need to do right now is for you to get a keyword. So what do you mean by keyword? Keyword is what you use to write topic on. So these are what I look forward to. So I go ahead and look for what to write about, and how do I get what do I write about, which is what I'm going to show you right now in this video. As there are so many platforms you can go ahead and look and make some researches for you to get topic you want to write on, that you can go ahead and upload on KDP website or on seller.co if you're a Nigerian. So right here, the first one I do use mostly is Quora. So we all know Quora as a place where people go ahead and share their knowledge, where people talk about different topics. So as a new user, you can go ahead and log into your email or you sign up, and also use a Reddit platform. So for Reddit, people go ahead and talk trending topics. So you can just go ahead right here, pick up a topic, go ahead to your AI, which is ChatGPT, and use it to write. And the last one right here is called Google Trends. So your Google Trends is actually where it should be showing you whatever that is trending currently, which you can also see the many people that are searching for this keyword. So let's click on this trending now to see how many people are searching for this type of keyword, and how can we go ahead and write ebook on it. So write ebook on it, and this will be something that will keep on every year, where people will actually just keep searching. So let's check and see where we can actually pick. So I saw a topic right now which says happy birthday wishes. I think this is something we can actually go ahead and write ebook for us. There are so many people who are doing birthday every day. Imagine people just going ahead, just reading your Kindle book, and you are getting paid for that every day, or you writing a ebook. So you can just go ahead and copy that words and come over to keyword2.io, as this is a keyword platform where you can put to check how many people who searches for birthday wishes from different countries, from different places. So just for you to come ahead and paste the happy birthday wishes, which is what the keyword you are working on. So let's go back and copy this, as this is what I want ChatGPT to go ahead and give me. So I can go ahead and tell ChatGPT, there is my topic I want to write on my ebook. So kindly go ahead and modify this for me. So ChatGPT is someone who will actually go ahead and write you thousands of birthday wishes for different genders, whether different age, that you can go ahead and sell as template for people who actually need this. So this is a very simple way for you to get. And after writing it, what next you need to do is for you to check up your content if it's showing that this is being written with ChatGPT or AI detector. So use this to detect what you write, and also this is another way for you to also check the plagiarism on your platform. So you won't go ahead and upload ebook that have a plagiarism. So you go ahead and check it up, and changing the words or grammar will actually go ahead and make people want to buy your ebook. As this have already worked for me, to write here is my own way of earning passive income, which I have been using for the past 2 years, and uploading different books just to KDP or Sco or any ebook platform that you can go ahead and upload. So you might be thinking, what other thing can you start with? What can you upload without going ahead and making research on all this platform? So you can go ahead and even leverage on your own problem. So you might be thinking, oh, are you someone who want to lose weight? Are you someone who wants to also budget their income? You can go ahead and start selling this ebook on this platform. And these are right. And people who also have the same issue or the same problem, just like you want to buy your ebook just that way. So those are the easiest ways you can actually do. And right now, if you gain value, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, as this is where I'm going to put a full stop. So guys, thank you, and don't forget to comment where you are watching me from. Thank you guys.